Why did you choose to be a financial advisor?
Actually, hindi ako naging financial advisor dahil gusto ko lang magbenta ng insurance. I choose this profession because I realized that one unexpected illness, accident, or loss can erase years of hard work. Ayokong makita ang mga pamilya na napipilitan sila na bitawan ang kanilang mga pangarap dahil hindi lang sila nakapaganda. Para sa akin, being a financial advisor is about protecting dreams, preserving dignity, and giving families peace of mind. Maraming trabaho ang tumutulong para gumanda ang buhay ng mga tao today. But as a financial advisor, I help people stay financially secure tomorrow. Hindi lang kami nag-aalok actually ng insurance. We created financial strategy that can protect a child's education, secure a family's future, and help them survive in life's toughest moments. And that's a responsibility I carry with pride. So the biggest lesson I've learned is this. Financial planning is not about how much money you have. It's about how prepared you are. Pwedeng yumaman ng isang tao over time, pero isang emergency lang. Pwedeng mawala ang pinaghirapan ng maraming taon kung walang tamang pagpaplano. That's why I always believe that preparation is more powerful than reaction. Hindi ko misyon na pilitin ang isang tao na bumili ng policy. Actually, my mission is to help them understand what's truly at stake. The future of their family, their dreams, and the people they love the most. If matapos ang usapan namin, at least they are informed. Mas aware sila at mas handa sila kaysa dati. Then I know I've already made a difference. Okay, ang masasabi ko, huwag ninyong hintayin na ang buhay ang magpilit sa inyong maghanda. The best financial decisions are made when you still have choices, not when you're already in crisis. Protect your income, secure your family's future, and build a legacy that will last for generations. Hope for the best, but always prepare for the unexpected. Because your family deserves more than love. They deserve financial security too.